Unit 3, Lesson 3, Multiply decimals by decimals. First, stack and multiply like whole numbers. Second, add the amount of decimal place values in each factor. Finally, move the decimal in the product the same amount of times right to left. Let's practice. We have 6/10 times 7/10. 6 times 7 is 42. So we stacked our numbers and multiplied like whole numbers. Then we add the amount of decimal place values in each factor. 6/10 has one place value behind the decimal, and 7/10 has one place value behind the decimal. Together, that is two place values that we need to move our decimal from right to left. So we move it 1, 2, and we get 42 hundredths. Next, we have 112 thousandths times 7 and 2/10. So we multiply our 2 times 2, and the 4 drops down beneath this 2 we started multiplying by. And then 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 1 is 2. Notice that I've kept all of my place values lined up. Next, we multiply by 7. Because 7 is in our tens place, if we ignore the decimal, then our answer does not begin in the ones place, it will begin in the tens place. 7 times 2 is 14, carry your 1, 7 times 1 plus 1 is 8, and then 7 times 1 is 7. Finally, we need to add that up, and our final product is 8,064. But we need to double check our decimal places. We have 1, 2, 3 place values behind the decimal in our first number. And we have 1 place value behind the decimal in our second number. Together, that is 4 place values that we need to move our decimal. So we move it 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the left, making our decimal in front of the 8. So our answer is 8,064 10,000ths. If we have a little PEMDAS going on, this is 3/10 times 3 minus 5/10. First, we need to take care of the parentheses, which is 3 minus 5/10, and we get 3/10 times 2 and 5/10. Next, we multiply. 3/10 times 2 and 5/10 is 75 hundredths. So the answer to this is 75 hundredths.